Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to explain our project called as Productivity Tracker. So before getting into an explanation, please comment, share and like our video. Now we'll see about the project. So this is a face recognized based employee monitoring system built using Flask and Python. So this project uses AI to track whether an employee is actually present at their desk and calculates real productive time in an automated and secure way. So first we have admin page where he can see the total employees, active users, and average page and average session, average productivity and average session. And his password and username is already encoded. And see here, he can see the number of employees, how much they are like that. And also he can see their view details. If he clicks view details, he can see the employees total session, average session, like the productivity of the employee, and also the graph will be plotted here. Okay, so this is about the user productivity. When it comes to user dashboard, so in user dashboard, the employee registers with name, employee ID, department, password, facial photo capture during login. The system verifies. So, and if it matches with the live face, which is registered photo using AI, it will log in. So, this ensures only the real employee can access the system. So, after login, employees can start a productivity tracking session. The webcam continuously checks if the employee is present. So if he is present, it will show his status as face detected and make it as online. You can just check. If I give start session, if my face is getting captured, once again it is getting initialized. See here you can like the productivity is being tracked. Something like this will be notified. If my face goes and all, you can see offline, no face detected, not recording. So the recording will stop immediately. If there is other person sitting instead of me, even the same thing, other face recognized and recording is stopped. So again, my face is back. It is showing online productivity is being tracked. So the online, whatever it shows the online, then when it starts recording, like it will be continuously. If it goes offline and online also, those video will be like counted with the same it continue with the same time duration itself, so that the admin can see his the total productivity time. And that's what I told you guys. So admin can view all registered employees, monitor individual productivity, total working hours, productive hours, efficiency percentage. So this project is built using Flask and AI facial matching. So Bootstrap for front end. So during registration, the face encoding is stored. So during login, live image is compared with stored encoding. During session, system continuously verifies whether it is the same person or the other person. So the workflow of this project is nothing. The employee register with face and logs in using credential, that is face verification, start session, system monitors his presence and productive time is calculated. Admin views final report here in the user page. So this project provides a smart and automated way to track the employee productivity using biometric authentication while maintaining security and transparency. If you are interested in this project, like the video, or else if you have any idea like this, or else you want help building your project, please comment projects in comment section. Thank you. We'll see you in the next explanation.